Sports is something that makes us free from our tensions and concerns. JCI Sanquelim is organizing a non-ranking badminton tournament at Multipurpose Hall on 14th, 15th and 16th of April 2022. I request all the badminton players to participate in this event and make this event a successful event. Let the raquet talk and the shuttle fly with your sporting spirits. Yeah, the last date of grabbing this opportunity is 13th April 2022.